Hi guys, here is Julie from Indigo Handmade Design. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to all of you who are new here. Don't forget to subscribe, like and ring the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. In today's video I am going to show you how to crochet this pattern. You can use any kind of yarn you have. The yarn that I'll be using is a category 4 and a 4mm crochet hook. The pattern that we are going to make, it's a multiple of 8. So I'm going to chain 16. And now chain 3 more. And in your fourth chain from the hook, make a double crochet. Now you have 2 double crochet to start. Chain 3, skip 2, and in the next make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, skip 2, yarn over, and in the next 1 double crochet. And now make 1 double crochet in your next 2 stitches. And now we are going to repeat what we've made at the beginning. So this one here, chain 3, skip 2, and in the next single crochet, chain 3, skip 2, and make 1 double crochet in your last 2 stitches. So you are starting with 2 double crochet and you are going to end with 2 double crochets. Again, it's a multiple of 8 plus your 3 chains. Row 2, chain 1, it doesn't count as a stitch, this is your turning chain. Make 1 single crochet in your very first stitch, 1 single crochet on top of your next double crochet from the previous row. And now we are going to skip all this here, so chain 5 and go right to your next double crochet from the previous row, this one here, and make 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet in your next 2 stitches, chain 5, and go to your last 2 double crochets and make 1 single crochet on top of each other. Now we are going to repeat our first row, so row 3, chain 3, this is your first double crochet, yarn over, 1 double crochet in your next single crochet from the previous row, chain 3, single crochet in your third chain, chain 3, double crochet in your next 3 single crochets from the previous row. So you are going to have a group of 3 double crochets, chain 3, single crochet in your third chain from the previous row, chain 3, and 1 double crochet in your last 2 stitches. Row 4 is going to be a repeat of row 2, so chain 1, this is your turning chain, turn your work, one single crochet in your very first stitch, one single crochet on top of your next stitch, chain 5, single crochet in your next double crochet from the previous row, single crochet in your next 2 stitches, chain 5, single crochet in your last 2 stitches, so this is going to be your last stitch in your third chain. Row 5, it's going to be a row of only single crochets, so chain 1, turn your work, 1 single crochet in your first 2 stitches, now make 1 single crochet in your chains, so you are going to have 5 single crochets in here, one single crochet in your next 3 stitches, and now again single crochet in your chains, so you are going to have again 5 single crochets, and single crochet in your last 2 stitches. For row 6, chain 1, turn your work, and single crochet in each single crochet from the previous row. Row 7, chain 1, turn your work, 1 single crochet in your very first stitch, chain 3, skip 2, so we are going to repeat our first row, but we are going to modify this, so skip 2, and in your next double crochet, 1 double crochet in your next 2 stitches, so we are going to have now 2 groups of double crochets, chain 3, skip 2, single crochet in the next, chain 3, skip 2, 1 double crochet in your next 3 stitches, chain 3, and we are going to end up by making 1 single crochet in the last stitch. So this is what we have so far. For row 8, chain 5, this counts as your first double crochet and a 2 chain space, turn your work and make 1 single crochet on top of your next double crochets from the previous row, chain 5, and go to your next double crochets and make one single crochet on top of your double crochets from the previous row. And now we are going to end up by making 2 chains and 1 double crochet on top of your single crochet from the previous row. Now we are going to repeat this row one more time, so basically the first row, chain 1, turn your work, and 1 single crochet on top of your double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet on top of your single crochets from the previous row, so you are going to have your group of 3 double crochets, chain 3, 1 single crochet in your third chain from the previous row, chain 3, 1 double crochet on top of your single crochets from the previous row, chain 3, and you are going to end up by making 1 single crochet in your third chain. Now chain 5, turn your work, single crochet on top of your double crochets from the previous row, chain 5, go to your next double crochets and make 1 single crochet on top of each of your double crochets from the previous row, chain 2, double crochet in your last stitch, so in your single crochet like this. And now we are going to repeat row 5 and row 6, so we are going to make 2 rows of single crochet. So chain 1, turn your work, 1 single crochet in your very first stitch, 1 single crochet in your next 2 chains, 1 single crochet in your next 3 single crochets from the previous row, 1 single crochet in your 5 chain space, so in each of your chain, 1 single crochet in your next 3 single crochets from the previous row, 1 single crochet in your next 2 chains, and 1 single crochet in your third chain, so this is your last stitch. Now go ahead and repeat this row. So chain 1, turn your work, and make 1 single crochet in each stitch till the end of the row. So this was your last row, chain 1, cut your yarn and weave in your loose end. So my lovely friends, I am at the end of my tutorial. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon with a new one. Bye bye!